Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD Fiber. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. There's a 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us, and Euro USD is right now standing at 1.0531. This is the current market price of Euro USD. Yesterday, we saw a drop on the chart of Euro USD, or a little bit of selling because of a sharp rise on the chart of DXY. And the reason was ADP non-farm employment change, and the numbers were much better than expected. The real numbers are about to come today. So my dear friends, if you're a beginner, new trader, if you have low capital, you're in a tight spot right now, please avoid any open position during NFP. Today is non-farm payroll day. So my dear friends, please be careful. Observe the market, but avoid taking any position because market will show some disco moves, extreme volatility. And please do not trade without stop loss because that is suicidal. So today's NFP will be very important for the market because if you look at the chart of DXY, you can see that after this massive fall, DXY was in a range for last couple of days, and yesterday DXY showed a massive green candle. It tried its best to cross the range here. We have been talking about the range of DXY since last year, that we have that 105 to 105.30 is standing as the resistance, and 103.50 is standing as the support for the market. And right now DXY is standing at 105.04. Apart from this zone here, we also have the 200 moving average, which is also acting as the dynamic resistance for the market. Okay, we can see that though market formed a big green candle, but still it is struggling to cross the resistance. So today's NFP may be the push, the force for the market that will make DXY fly. So today's NFP will be very important because if the market is not happy with the numbers, then DXY will be back to the range again. Okay, if market is not happy with the numbers, DXY will be back to the range again, and 103.50 will be the support again, because this is the only big support on the chart of DXY right now, and some minor support around 103.80. These two are the only support. This is a good support, this is a minor support, weak support. And if the market is happy with the numbers, then market will cross 105.30, and this will be a big recovery on the chart of DXY, because you can see after this massive fall, DXY was trying its best not to fall further, and it was in the range. So it may go for some recovery if market breaks 105.30, and the next resistance will be around 105.70. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. To be honest, not much to discuss on the chart of Euro dollar, because Euro USD is right now standing at the support only. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know about this level, because we have talked about the support around 1.0500 to 1.0520. This was the support for Euro USD, and market took support, and we can see that market is respecting the support. Okay, but is this a good position to buy? I don't think so. Okay, I think that we should wait for some time. We should wait for some time, because after this massive red candles, okay, market is under the dominance of sellers right now. Here you need to understand the structure of the market here. Euro USD was bullish, there is no doubt. Okay, when DXY started falling, Euro USD was very bullish. But if we just focus this particular portion of the market here, do we see a bullish market? No, this was a sideways market. So DXY was falling and DXY went sideways. Euro USD as a result, okay, started going up and went sideways. Okay, so just the opposite. DXY is standing at the resistance, Euro USD is standing at the support, and both of them are waiting for the news. So if DXY breaks 105.30, then there will be a big drop on the chart of Euro USD, and we can go for a sell position as well. And the reason is market forming a lower high, because see, previously market was in uptrend. Or how do we understand that a market is in uptrend? Whenever we see market forming higher highs, whenever we see a market forming higher highs, higher lows, it is a clear cut upturn market for us. But here you can see the market failed to form a higher high. So there is a change in the market. Okay, sellers are entering in the market. So as a result, there is a possibility that in the coming days we may see a trend reversal on the chart of Euro USD. So if Euro USD breaks this particular support here, I will not be surprised, and I think we can go for a sell position as well. But yes, for additional confirmation, look at the chart of DXY and just see whether DXY is going up or not. During the day, if you see Euro USD going up, then you can observe Euro USD around, okay, actually I'm in a 1 minute time frame. Okay, observe Euro USD around 1.0590, 1.0600 level, 1.0590, 1.0600 level. Again, because you may get a quick selling opportunity around this area. Why we are saying quick selling opportunity? Because you can see that we have a, I'm not sure, okay, I'm not sure about the trend line, but we have got some other reasons to believe. Let me draw the trend line nicely. So we have a trend line right now. Then we can see that previously this was a support for the market. A previous support to act as resistance. Previous support to act as resistance. Plus we have the trend line, and if I take the help of the Fibonacci tool here, I can see that we have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement on the same area. So as a result, if market goes up also, I think there's a good selling opportunity around 1.0590 to 1.0600. So if market goes up and reverses, we can go for a sell position, but observe the market first. This is the main difference between a trader and a gambler. A trader observes first and then take the decision. Okay, so very limited number of opportunities on the chart of Euro USD right now, so mostly you need to observe the market first. This is it. Hopefully you got my point. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your heart and money, and please be careful during the non-farm payroll. Again, I'll say beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, try to avoid any open position on any USD pair, not only Euro USD, any USD pair. Observe the market, gain some experience, but try to avoid any position. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.